Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add a signature to your Gmail emails. So your outgoing emails, so you have that little blurb of text at the bottom of your emails. This tutorial will be for you, and we're going to jump into it. So we're going to start by left clicking on the settings button near the top right corner. It'll should look like a little gear icon, and when you hover over it, it should say settings. Want to left click on that, and then left click on the settings button again from the drop down menu. Scroll down on this page until you get to the area underneath signature. You want to fill in the circle that's not no signature, so select the one underneath and then type in whatever signature you want. So you just type it in. Once you've done that, just left click on the Save Changes button down here. Now if we went to compose an email, you can see it automatically comes up. Now if you want to get rid of those two lines, we just go back into settings, and then you check mark the box to say insert the signature before quoted text and replies, and remove the / line that precedes it. So check mark in there, and then left click on Save Changes, and that should be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.